Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Zeal for Python by RB. In today's video, we will learn about file data type. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get regular updates on new videos uploaded and share with your friends and colleagues. Let's start with file data type. Files are the main interface between interpreter and external data on your computer. File objects in Python can be used to read, write text, audio clips, Excel documents, emails, messages, or any other information stored on your computer. Files are not like other sequence-based data type or other data types like numbers and dictionary. So they do not perform any operation which are supported by other data types. File supports only file processing related methods. Here are a few methods which help us to process file in Python. By using open method, you can open any existing file in any mode, read or write. To create a new file, if you need to use write as a mode in open function call, this will open the file in write mode or it will create the new file if not exist. Let's see with the help of an example. I am creating a file with open method and name of my file is example.txt. When I will open it in write mode, if this file does not exist, it will create the file and the file object will be stored in F. Now we can call upon its method to process its data. File text are in string form in Python. Now if we want to write in this file, we use the method write method. Example, on F I will call my method write. It will write a single statement in the file example.txt. Now, if you want to write multiple lines, you can use write lines method. But keep in mind that all the lines are in the string form. Now if you wish to open the file and read the content in it, you will have to first open the file in read mode, that is in place of W, R. As soon as you open it in read mode, you can read its content by using a method called read. I am a Python developer. Read n reads up to specified numbers of character, whereas read line method reads the next line. Number of lines one by one. Again and again you will have to call upon read line and it will give you all the lines one by one. But keep in mind that if you wish to open the existing file, you need to provide the entire path of the file in the place of file name. If path is not mentioned, Python interprets it as the file exists in same directory. ReadLine method reads the next line, whereas readLines read the entire file into the list of lines. All the lines which are mentioned in the file will be read by readLines method but printed in form of list. I'll write one more line to it so that I can explain. F. Now I'll open in read mode. I'll use read lines method. If you can see, it's giving me in square brackets. That is in list form. Close. Close method closes the file file manually. If you want to read a file line by line, it's better to use file iterator. For iterator is used here. For L in open file, if you will open the file, L will contain all the lines, and till the all lines are finished, till the end of the file, it will print all the lines. We will discuss the iterators in more details in our for loop videos, which will be covered in coming days. In Python, files are always buffered, which means the files are not immediately written to the disk. The close or flush method forces the buffered data to write on the disk. As you have seen that everything in Python is stored in string format, this comes handy when we have to store any Python object for future use without relying on other sources. If we want to store any Python object, we can use Pickle module. Pickle module allows to store the Python object into the file directly. No explicit conversion of object to string is required from user end. See here, I have a list, and if I wish to store this list, I will use a pickle method. I'll import pickle and store it in file store list.pickle. Pickle method dump is used, and it will dump the list L into the file object F. As soon as the file is closed, the data will be stored into the file in string format. If I want to retrieve my data, I want to retrieve my object which is currently in string format again into the data object type. We can open it into read format and use load function, load F. It will give us the data object, Python object as it is. The process of converting Python object to and from string of bytes is called object serialization. This is all we have for files. I hope you enjoyed learning. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thank you.